What's up, GT gang? Welcome back to the channel, and this is the final video that you guys will ever see Mazie in as my own car. This is a tribute to Mazie. This was an absolute amazing build. This encapsulated all of the skills that I had acquired working on cars, and it's just an accumulation of everything. And I love this car to death, and I do not regret selling it, but I miss the hell out of her. So enjoy the video, guys, and watch me build Mazie, my 1993 3000 GT, in less than 10 minutes. I'll see you at the end.
Is it over here?
Right here. Yeah.
No way! Holy crap! Once that is out, I can start disconnecting things and we get ready to pull the engine. So that's where I'm at. There it is.
Ah, I got it.
Holy! Okay, so this is the inside of the transmission. So I think we found the problem, boys. Temperature's good. We got a coolant light on. Might be a bad sensor. We're going 45. Feels great. Dakota's loving it. And you know what? I couldn't be happier. It shifts great. We're going to come up around here and turn around. I don't even have a hood on. We probably look like a bunch of freaking hillbillies. But, yeah, bro. Send it! Right here, you got your 5/8 spark plug, then rebuild starts, tear down starts. You guys updated, I'm sorry I didn't update you earlier, but this is a lot. Water pump's out, water pump housing is out. As you can see, my upper intake plenum, and I'm actually going to be removing my throttle body. I just want to keep. The surface, whole 9 yards, guys. I just had to put these cover plates back. He said he actually had to resurface this, and the damage was so deep that he actually had to weld it in, grind it. He said he had to do that 3 times to get this the way he wanted it. So it's just incredible what he did, and I'm seriously super thankful for him. And this is going to turn out great. And I asked him what the problem was. Trying to keep you updated as updated as possible. So timing's done. I rotated it twice and it still lines up. Alright, engine's in. Check this out. Alright guys, so I actually just had some alignment. Let's go, baby! All day!
compared to my foot. And I just found these brackets. Every plug is plugged in, minus the airbag, obviously. But yeah, guys, it's amazing. So I have two different size tires. So I have a 235/45/18 on two of them, and then a 235/40/18 on the other two. So I actually want the thicker sidewall up front. Actually, I kind of want the thinner sidewall up front so I can actually lower it.
Good. Just took like 14 Adderall, drank 72 Red Bulls, and finished my intro the day of the release.
I chase bad bitches, accolades, got will, son, no castaway. I'm twice as good, get half the praise. Throw a sniper up and I blast away. You ain't getting through me. Nah, how I've been here 10 hours. My chick's sour, rising and falling together, though like we the Twin Towers. Nothing's taken, I'm frustrated. If I could only get just to blaze it, ain't no doubt that I'd muster greatness. No chip off of that old block. All eyes on me, but I'm no Pac. Fully loaded off those shots, that bass will knock you like cold cocks. I'm number one. Big Mac in my flow, the ice on my wrist lacking. I've been having, they been slacking, they been doubting. I've been bout it, my mojo back raps gold member. Gotta be one core winner. Got the game on my ring finger. I'm VA and that's over. All I've been killing shit, cause that's protocol. I don't do this for y'all, no, I just do this for me. I flip the game on this chill, 180 degrees. Baby, please, baby, please. I know you're dying to stay. I ain't gonna stop you from walking, always remember the name. I'm the man, I'm the man, I'm the man. I'ma get it cause I can, cause I can, cause I can. In my fitted, in my vans, in my vans, in my vans. I think baby girl a fan, she a fan, she a fan. I'm Holly charted from the valley to the mountains. I ain't finished till I caught and made a call with my outfit. Came to see it thunder like Miami in the summer, man. I'm just getting over all the pressure I was under. Damn, cool cat, you know I had to go to home now. I told you I was golden, there's Coronas on the coastline. These days, I don't know what's worthy of a cosign. Ain't a 49er, I'm sitting on a gold. Let it burn like the tropics on my pockets, crave its profits. I'm obnoxious to a nuisance, rocking J's out here hooping. Hidden in my hoodie from the haters, fuck the drama. I was sent to show the world they're dealing with a problem from the get-go. Let's go, ready for the next show. Finding time for anything but any time to rest. So I get it in the morning till the sun falls back. Then hit it till it rises and I don't call back. With sushi, wasabi, sake, sipping tips and topsy-turvy tips and 22 touches terrific. Fuck the limit in a tizzy, totally challenged. This room's totally spinning. Damn, that tab is revealing. My credit's headed to ceiling. And baby girl hit the floor. Be out here drinking to 4. When it's raining, it pours. Oh yeah, I done this before. I just thought you should know. I plan on taking you home. No way I'm leaving alone. Plus you remind me it's flown. Drinking since 7. Thought you walked in with a twin. Hope you smile and switch the topic up and worry about your friends.
Well, there it was. Thank you guys so much for sticking through and watching the entire video. And I want to say thank you to all the subscribers that even watched the entire journey from start to finish. You know who you are. I appreciate you more than ever. And thank you so much for joining the channel and supporting everything. See you guys in the next one. Thanks again for watching. Peace.